In the vast expanse of the galaxy, there is one planet that stands out as the epitome of danger and peril, Saledra. Known as the Death World, Saledra is infamous among spacefarers and explorers for its extreme and hostile environment. Here are some fascinating details about this treacherous planet. Unforgiving climate. Saledra is a planet of extreme weather conditions. Its atmosphere is riddled with violent storms, hurricanes, and tornadoes that ravage the surface with unrelenting fury. The planet's constant and erratic climatic changes make it nearly impossible for anyone to predict or adapt to the severe weather patterns. Toxic atmosphere. The air on Saledra is heavily laden with toxic gases and corrosive elements, rendering it utterly inhospitable to most forms of life. The atmosphere contains high concentrations of sulfuric acid, methane, and other noxious substances, making it lethal for unprotected beings to breathe or survive for any extended period. Gravity challenges. Saledra possesses an extraordinarily high gravitational pull, making it an immense challenge for individuals not acclimated to such conditions. The immense pressure exerted by the planet's gravity affects every movement, making even the simplest tasks a struggle for those unaccustomed to the oppressive force. Biological hazards. Saledra is teeming with a diverse array of predatory and venomous life forms, evolved to thrive in its inhospitable environment. From colossal carnivorous plants with acid-dripping tendrils to predatory creatures with razor-sharp claws and venomous fangs, the planet boasts a relentless ecosystem that preys on any interlopers who dare to set foot on its surface. Unstable terrain. The terrain on Saledra is characterized by treacherous landscapes and shifting geological formations. Massive sinkholes, unstable rock formations, and seismic activity plague the planet, making navigation an extreme challenge. One wrong step could lead to being swallowed by the ground or crushed by falling rocks. Magnetic anomalies. Saledra possesses intense magnetic fields that disrupt communication systems, navigational instruments, and other technological equipment. The planet's magnetic anomalies render standard technology unreliable, leaving explorers vulnerable and disoriented. Isolation and inaccessibility. Saledra is located in a remote region of the galaxy, far from any established trade routes or civilized planets. Its treacherous nature and inhospitable environment discourage most travelers from venturing into its deadly embrace. The few who do attempt the journey often find themselves stranded and cut off from any hope of rescue or escape. While the allure of discovering untapped resources or unlocking the mysteries of the Death World might tempt some intrepid explorers, the dangers of Saledra serve as a stark warning to those who underestimate its lethal nature. It stands as a testament to the raw power and unforgiving beauty that can be found within the most dangerous corners of the galaxy.